Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video we're going to be cutting a Y11 key blank on the Black Widow key machine. And if you want to see this lock getting leashed with the Y11 leashed, that's how we determine the bidding. You can check out the video before this, number 630, which I'll link up in the corner. Now to cut this key, we're going to be using the S2 jaw, and I'm just going to go ahead and search for the Blitz card instead of the key blank, because I know I would cut this in my Blitz on card number 55. But you could also search for key blank if you wanted to. I'll just select card 55, hit input, and our bidding we got from the leashy was 44352. So input that in, and go to cut. And now you can actually laser cut these with this machine, or you can plunge cut like the HPC would do. So I'm going to go ahead and go with plunge cut. Got my speed set to 7, which is totally fine, and cutter 2mm. And it's just telling us shoulder stop key on the B side of the S2. So we'll jump down to the clamp here, and we'll go ahead and just shoulder stop it. Now this key does have a bottom shoulder, which actually would shoulder stop it as well. But we'll get it chucked up in there. And then on the tablet here, we're just going to hit cut. And it's going to tell us 2mm cutter. We'll hit OK. And let the machine do its thing here. And once it's done cutting, we'll just test it out, make sure that it does work in the lock. All right, and it cuts it that fast. Now we'll go ahead and we'll just test it here, make sure that it works. Show you our cut key here. And that's a plunge cut, kind of like the HPC machine would do. And put it on a lock, and key works perfectly. So there's a Y11 key cut on the Black Widow key machine. And that's all I got on this one, guys. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.